आगे तू करती रहे तू करती रहे तेरे तो काम
Best actress, tell me the nominees.
There are many.
There are many? Of course, Alia. All of them deserve it. I think, like I just said, there's enough sun for everyone. Just being in this industry when there's रोज लोग आते हैं actor बनने के लिए, just being on that stage, being nominated is a win in itself. For me, being here right now is a win in itself. So I think, everyone's growth is good and I won't pick one because that will not be right. सब बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं and I wish everyone the best.
Something about your next.
My next film is called Visfot. बहुत जल्दी आने वाली है. टी सीरीज़ की फिल्म है, संजय गुप्ता की फिल्म है, फरदीन खान का रिटर्न फिल्म है. तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड ऑफ दैट. थैंक यू. A dream come true. I mean, I was looking back. It feels like I'm making that girl proud. Thank you. Thank you. बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. कल का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा हुआ. मेरा पहला आईफा परफॉर्मेंस था और आज बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ अवार्ड्स के लिए. पूरा इस तरह का माहौल हो जाता है आईफा में जैसे कि पूरी इंडस्ट्री वेकेशन मनाने के लिए इकट्ठी हुई हो. बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करेंगे इस माहौल को. बट नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन. सलमान
Well, I am excited today because we both are working together. Yesterday it was like
we walked separately.
And I'm more confident today, even despite of wearing whatever I am wearing. मतलब पता नहीं क्या ही है. So yeah, it's a happy moment for me, and I'm not that nervous as I was yesterday. So yeah, it's kind of cool.
I am very much excited. Obviously, she's walking with me. Yesterday, I walked separately and I just ran out to the stage. And it's my IFA debut. I'm very much excited. I want to just go experience the whole the thing about what IFA is. So yeah, just pretty much very excited. I don't know who all are performing.
See, Badshah and Nora, I'm looking forward. Yesterday I was wanting to see their performance. I couldn't. Let's hope today I do. It was good. When I went, I think Preetham,
Sunidhi Chauhan.
No, Sunidhi was performing, and Amit Trivedi, he was performing. Very good. जितना भी मैंने थोड़ा बहुत देखा, बहुत अच्छा था. Thank you.
Hi.
Sorry, yes. I'm looking forward to Salman's performance and Nora's performance. Thank you.
Okay. 15 minutes हो गया. Thank you.
But वो आने दो ना.
How excited are you for IFA tonight?
I'm very excited. It's my first time. पकड़ लेता हूँ सर, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, very excited. This is my first time and nominated for. So yeah, I'm really looking forward. Nervous also, but yeah, seeing you guys, it feels better.
From television red carpet to IFA screen carpet, how would you define your journey?
I don't know. It's been a long journey. It took me a lot of time to reach here, and it's just the beginning. So yeah.
Seeing you in D3
हाँ.
till 2 hours experience.
It's been amazing. आपको performance में change लग रहा है?
बहुत सारा.
So yeah, I mean, yes, I mean, there's so much to learn, and I've been learning, I've been growing. That's the whole idea. So keep the audience entertaining, and yeah, उसके लिए मेहनत करते रहो. No. ये सब गलत फहमी मत पालिए. ना.
ये वाले पर क्या गाना डेडिकेट करोगे?
If I have to perform right now?
No, not right now. Like if you had to perform at IFA,
हाँ.
which actress would you like to do it with?
Alia Bhatt.
And if you had to host IFA?
If I have to host IFA, I will host. With whom? Shah Rukh sir or Saif sir. Cool.
क्या चाहिए था? बहुत excited हूँ मैं IFA के लिए. It's my debut this year, and my film IB71 just released, so I'm very happy. सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस सुनिधि चौहान का था और उन्होंने इतना कमाल किया, वो मुझे जेलो और शकीरा की याद दिला दी। बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया, उसमें बहुत दम है। कि IB71 ने बहुत प्यार कमाया और बहुत सीरियस फिल्म थी, उसमें एक भी गाना नहीं था, लेकिन फिर भी लोगों ने उसको अच्छे से देखा। आई होप आप देखते रहिए। थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Hi. I'd rather just be Isha Gupta of India because I think India has much more to offer than any other country in this world. But it's a compliment because she's doing so much for the world and children of the world. Oh my God, I was dancing and I was sitting and dancing, but Sunidhi killed it. Sunidhi, like wow, she dances, she has a great body, she sings. She was singing live, which most of the international artists don't. But she was singing and dancing at the same time. I don't think anyone can do it like Sunidhi. Everyone's performance, but most what I'm looking forward to is Vicky and Abhishek hosting. Thank you. Come here, he's shooting. Go for it, Please go for it. Just say how does it feel being on the IFA Green Carpet?
Well, hi. Well, IFA Green Carpet, the walk is amazing. IFA is home to me. I've been a host with IFA for a very long time, and walking this carpet along with my other friends and associates, it's amazing feeling. And hi to all the camera people because I know them. Bye. I think they're really want you.
Which team are you supporting?
I think, which are the last two ones?
Gujarat and CSK.
CSK, considering it's
For Dhoni?
Dhoni, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Everyone's. I think everyone is going to be super special. So yeah, I'm rooting for everyone.
Did you enjoy the work?
I think I happened to see only one performance, which was Sunidhi's, and I really loved it. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm wearing the Omani designer Etle Zura, and I think it's very much in alignment with the place which we are in because we cannot show too much skin. It's Abu Dhabi, and it completely perfectly goes with the place which we are in. And yeah, it's like fully covered. There's no skin show, so I think it perfectly matches up to the theme. Perfectly matches. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do I have to hold it? Well, I've just wrapped a beautiful film with Rajat Kapoor and Purab Kohli in Dehradun, and I was there for about a month, and I think my heart is now set in Uttarakhand. You know, whenever I feel like I can go to Rishikesh, whenever I want to go to Mussoorie, I can get like a nice ice cream there. So love it. So yeah, looking forward to that film. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. How are you?
Could you describe Abu Dhabi changes and I love it. Any messages for you?
क्या? I didn't understand.
Miss करेंगे.
क्या?
Once the IFA is over, how will you miss IFA?
कौन सा mic है?
ये.
हाँ, मैं I'm happy to be back at IFA. I'm very happy to be back at IFA, and मैं कुछ 10 साल पहले आई थी, and I'm coming back again, so it's a great feeling, and yes, I'm looking forward to the show.
We want you to be in film that office to आते होंगे, but then what are you looking actually for? क्या है? Are you happy with your business?
देखो, मैं बिजनेस के साथ खुश हूँ, मैं बॉलीवुड वाइब्स के साथ खुश हूँ, मैं ज्वेलरी बिजनेस के साथ खुश हूँ, तो फिलहाल मेरे लिए ये काफ़ी है. थैंक यू. हाँ नहीं यार, to do? Oh my God, 3 words. Exciting, celebratory, and wonderful.
And a message for Abu Dhabi fans.
Thank you for being so generous with your love. Thank you. Thank you. What is this? I've been working in the sphere of environmental action for over a decade because I truly believe by restoring the health of the planet, we can restore human health and hope to have a future. Is she okay? And hope to have a future that's safe, healthy and equal and peaceful for everyone. Thank you, always. Hi! Lady in pale skirt. I have got to go. Where are you going? Don't go. I actually today wanted to go watch the show. Skip.
You're looking very beautiful in pink.
Wait, roll again. If you want to do it, you better do it right.
Oh, yeah. 1 minute, huh? How much are you enjoying also? ये इतना वक्त तामझाम रहता है पता नहीं anyway, like, you know, the girls
Actually,
always...
I'm loving the fact that my stylist is on the carpet with me. Otherwise, वो आती नहीं है. So ये संभालने आ गई है.
कल yesterday evening, how was it?
Oh, superb. I walked in with Bansal and it was an absolute blast. I think the whole IFA was jumping with the music and the singers. It was superb.
So something about your next piece.
My next is going to be Chori 2, Akeli, a lot of things. I hope it all comes out this year and everybody loves it. I have to ask him. If I had to do what?
Most Saifa, which actor would you want to see?
I think Vicky Kaushal. I think he's very, very witty and he's very, very charming on stage. Me. I would perform me. Performance solo होनी चाहिए.
What's your impression of Abu Dhabi?
I think it's a wonderful place. It's got such nice restaurants. Even if you drive to somewhere, it's a drive. It's amazing. And you've got Ferrari World.
Something about your...
Sorry?
Favorite Abu Dhabi location?
Yas Island.
Sir, something about your upcoming projects, please.
Upcoming projects, I'm doing Mamanan. I'm doing Chamkila with Imtiaz Ali. Then there's Maidan. Then there's Gandhi Talks. Then I keep forgetting all the other projects, but I will never.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations for PS.
Thank you, thank you.
PS to like, how do you feel like, you know, do you get that vibe? Yeah, picture तो, you know, hit जाने वाली है.
No, I think it's a humongous attempt by Mani Ratnam ji and the whole team. They all, I think, combined with a single vision to achieve this. I mean, I'm also part of it. So we're all proud of Mani Ratnam. I think he deserves the success.
But his singles, your albums are loved by everyone. Like, you've been waiting for all those kinds of, you know, बहुत सारे अपने albums. You're missing those. आने वाला है उस तरह का.
Great. Now that you're all supported the movie and it's such a big hit, I think more stuff will come with it.
So, any message for your Abu Dhabi fans?
No, I love them. I love the way they.
Real Housewives का तो आ गया. Real House Husbands का कब देख सकते हैं? Because you are the.
आप शुरू कर लो यार.
नहीं आप ही कर सकते हो.
चलो तो करते हैं, फिर शुरू करते हैं और क्या. खाली ये हो गया कि देखिए बीवियां चली गई है, हम अकेले एंट्री हो रही है हमारी.
इसीलिए खुद का शो चाहिए.
Well, I'm playing a character called Hamid, and I'm playing a character with a lot of grey shades. Really enjoyed it. There always is an X factor when you play something negative. You know, you as an actor, you get a chance to perform different shades, and I've liked my look. I got a chance to work with a fabulous director in Ali Abbas. I had a great cast, ensemble cast. Couldn't have asked for anything better. And 9 June is releasing. I'm looking forward to it. Yes,
Your son completed 18 years.
Yes, he did. Yes.
Big celebration.
I feel very happy that my son is 18, and the best thing is the family was there, and that was the best way. Yesterday he celebrated with his friends, but he bought in the birthday with his dadi. That is the most important thing, and with the whole family. So it was really nice and very special. अभी बहुत छोटा है, 18 साल का है, अभी उसको पढ़ने दो. ट्रेनिंग तो चलती रहती है, पैदा होने से ही शुरू हो जाती है हमारी ट्रेनिंग तो. Thank you so much. Thank you. Everyone. I said that whoever is on stage, it's a great act. So I looking forward to everybody's performance. Well, I shot Bloody Daddy over here, so it's the most memorable film for me. Yeah. Thank you.
I'm very excited for the night. I can't wait to see what he does on stage, and also all the performances and the awards and the winners. I am very excited. मैं कौन होता हूँ जज करने वाला, इतने महारथी आर्टिस्ट थे स्टेज पर. मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आया. I enjoyed thoroughly being there. So yeah, I can't wait for tonight as well.
Your upcoming projects, please.
My upcoming projects. There is one film called Letters to Mr. Khanna, which is a sweet mother-son story. That's with me and Neetu Kapoor. The other is Haseen Dilruba Part 2 with Taapsee Pannu and Vikrant Massey. Thank you. Thank you guys.
स्पिन ऑफ होना चाहिए. मैं सोचता हूँ अबू धाबी में आके ही शूटिंग करते हैं उसके. मैं तो बोलता आज रात को ही शो शुरू करते हैं. फैबुलस. फिर वो बॉलीवुड वाइफ से हम क्या होंगे? बॉलीवुड हस्बैंड्स. Celebrity husbands. No, I was telling someone, I said first, last year I came to IFA because of Ananya. Yeah, so I was Ananya's father. Now I've come as Bhavna's husband. अब next day शायद मैं अपनी छोटी वाली के लिए आऊँ. फिर finally मैं अपने लिए आऊँगा. I think Abhishek, I love him as a host, so I want to go and hear him.
I'm actually really grateful that there are lots happening this year. But all the producers have a great announcement planned, so I think I'll wait for that. The one that I can talk about is the one that I'm doing with Yash Raj, which is called Maharaj, and that should be out soon.
Do you plan to come on OTT if the script is good?
Yeah, of course. I think if the script is good, it doesn't matter where it comes because the audience needs to consume it either at their homes or in the theatres.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. I don't know. That question you need to ask Yash Raj if I am their favourite. Yeah. No, I'm very grateful for this opportunity, and I hope that I do justice in all the films that I get. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi, how lovely you are.
Thank you. I'm getting
forward to it, yeah.